Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new Concept to Vector feature in Adobe Illustrator. This was introduced in the May 2026 version, so you need to be on that version or newer, depending on when you're watching this. Now, I haven't dug really deep on this tool yet, but this is just a quick overview so you can see what it's capable of. All right, let's get started. Okay, and I have three images here on three different artboards. First is this weird looking cat that I sketched in about 2 minutes using a small point Sharpie, and then I just took a picture of it with my phone. And then next is this low-res butterfly photo, and finally a low-res turtle image that used to be a vector, at least at some point. So to use Concept to Vector, first click on your image, and then go to Window, and make sure Contextual Taskbar is checked here, and you should see it right down here. Then click Concept to Vector. Then I'll click on the little settings down here, and this Concept to Vector bar should pop up. If it's not showing, you can go to Window, Concept to Vector right here. And then I'll just pick one of these sample presets. I'm going to click the 3-color one, and then I'll make some changes in my prompt. So instead of 3 colors, I'm going to put 4 colors in there. We'll have 1 dominant background tone, 1 mid-tone, and 2 accents for focal detail. So I'll change that to 2, and then I'll generate. And this can take some time depending on your connection and all that. Okay, and here's what it came up with. It is pretty amazing. If I hit Command-Y or Control-Y, we can see that this is a vector. So now we can edit it however we want. I'm just going to pull this down here. And I think I want to make these pieces... We'll make those kind of the background color. If we zoom in, we can see some little issues. I see a little dot right there. It doesn't seem to have a purpose. But mostly, this is looking quite good. And I'll just click on that background and delete it. But overall, great guess at what I was wanting with this dumb little sketch. Okay, now with the butterfly photo, let's see what it can do here. I'll try this wildcard option, and we'll generate. Okay, and here's what it came up with. It is actually quite amazing. It did a really good job with the butterfly itself. Some of these swirls and stuff don't look that great when you zoom in, but yeah, overall really nice. Okay, and then finally I have this low-res turtle image, which was at one time a vector, and I'm just going to go with that first preset. I'm going to change it to 4 colors though. So we'll change this to 4. This time I'm going to do 1 dominant background, 2 midtones for primary shapes, and then 1 accent for the focal detail. And we'll generate. And here's what it came up with. So it kind of missed this white highlight, and it added this line under here for whatever reason. But overall, it did a very nice job. Let me zoom in here. Very clean vector artwork. Yeah, looks great. So yeah, if I wanted to remove this, I would just delete these points and then join those and join these. And of course it changed my colors. We'll just grab that and send it back. And there we have it, pretty close. And that's it. So it is pretty powerful. I'm interested to see what it can do in a few years if they keep updating it. All right, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.